It's Labor Day 2025, and it's again the anniversary of our company, Reflex Aerospace. And what a game-changing year this was. First, we launched SIGI, our first satellite. We are incredibly proud of reaching this milestone. Second, we intensified the work on MIRI, our second satellite and the first high-performance Earth observation satellite which we will build here. Third, we signed and announced OPTIMAS, a challenging laser communications mission which we will build next. We also opened our microfactory, which will allow us to build more satellites in the future. On top of that, we started to position ourselves on the US-American markets through our partnership with Sidus Space. And last but not least, just a couple of days ago, we announced a partnership with Umbra Space, which will allow us to extend our defense product portfolio by also offering synthetic aperture radar satellites for the European market. Wow, that was a lot. But I think that 26 will be even bigger than 25 was. We see a rapidly, very quickly growing European market, mainly fueled by the demand for sovereign space capabilities. And we as Reflex are ideally positioned and also ready to do our part in shaping the Europe of tomorrow.